The Four Corners Vocabulary Strategy by Rondique Cindy, Kennedy Lopez, and Heather Patterson. What is the Four Corners Vocabulary Strategy? Well, it is an excellent strategy to help students learn new vocabulary words by using a specific and simple outline like the one on the right. Students will illustrate the word, incorporate the word in a sentence, define the word, and simply write the word in the fourth corner. What are the four corners? Well, students will use a four-step process that will include: first, drawing an illustration; second, writing a sentence that includes a vocabulary word; third, defining the word; and fourth, by simply writing down the vocabulary word. Why a four-corner vocabulary chart? Well, by completing a four-corner vocabulary chart, the students will make personal connections and the learning will be meaningful. English language learners benefit by this greatly because the chart is a great visual and hands-on resource that will further help them learn new vocab terms. The English language learner will also match the word to an illustration, sentence, and a definition which further contextualizes the word. Teachers can provide the students four-corner vocabulary charts like the one here, or the students can section a piece of paper into four and label each corner like the ones above. Students can have fun making four-corner vocabulary charts, and it can be engaging. For example, teachers can pair students up to share their charts with one another. The students will be shown different perspectives since their charts will be personalized. Also, the teacher can use these charts as assessment tools or can hang them up in the classroom. Here, an example we created. First, there is an illustration of a mountain. Second, we have a sentence: my friend and I hiked up the mountain yesterday at the national park. Third, the definition: a mountain is a large landform that rises above its surroundings. And lastly, in the fourth corner, I have my word mountain and simply written down. The strengths of the strategy are that it will help students make deeper connections. The students will pull different things from his or her background and experiences. Also, the student will have a better understanding of the vocabulary words because it will make them think about the words in many ways. This strategy contextualizes words, which is helpful to English language learners. The only weakness that comes to show is that it can take some time for the students to complete the chart for each vocabulary word. Teachers can teach 2 to 3 new vocabulary words a day with this strategy if he or she is short on time. However, this strategy is worth the time considering that it will teach the students vocabulary words in a meaningful way. Four-corner vocabulary charts can be implemented into any classroom. For example, a science teacher may want to help his or her students learn about the words producer, decomposer, and herbivore for an upcoming food chain lesson. The teacher can simply have the students create a four-corner vocabulary chart for each of the terms. Here is one that we created. There is an illustration of a plant, a sentence that includes the word producer in it, a definition of producer, and simply the vocab word producer in the fourth corner. Or a math teacher may want his or her students to learn about the 3 types of angles: right, obtuse, and acute. The students will draw each of these angles and will see how different each one is just by the drawings. Here we created one that has an illustration of an acute angle, a sentence that includes the words acute angle, a definition of acute angle, and simply the word in the fourth corner. In all, the students will have a better understanding of the words that they are learning, and it is a fun and meaningful way to engage the students. In conclusion, four-corner vocabulary charts are an excellent strategy to help any learner learn new vocabulary words.